Hello everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a Google form using your mobile device. First, open the Chrome browser on your mobile device. In the search bar, type forms.google.com and press search. Once the page loads, you'll see an empty form. Tap on Untitled Form and give your form a name. Add a description to provide context about the form. Tap on Untitled Question and type your preferred question. Enter the answer choices and add as many options as needed. At the bottom of the question, turn on Toggle Next to Required to make the question mandatory. To add more questions, tap on the plus icon at the bottom and repeat the above steps for each question. Once you are done, tap on the arrow icon at the top. In the pop-up menu, tap Publish. Tap on the link icon to generate and copy the form's link. Open any social media app to share the link. For example, in WhatsApp, tap on the desired contact or group, paste the link, and hit send. And that's it! You've successfully created and shared a Google form using your mobile device. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.